Guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's the first time tuning in, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. In this video, I'm going to be telling you the first thing to do to enable you withdraw your first $10 from POPPO, okay? For those of you that don't know, for you to be able to cash out your money from POPPO, you must be able to meet up to $10, okay? And that $10 is what guarantee you to be able to withdraw. If not, that withdraw button now, even when you click on withdraw, it's going to show you that you've not meet up to your $10, okay? So right now I have $32.20, and PayPal is giving 1,380 per dollar. And one good part again I love about PayPal is the fact that you can withdraw with your local bank account. And if you don't want to even use your local bank account, probably you didn't trust them so well, you can also have different payment methods to withdraw: ePay, USDT, Binance, and even Payoneer recently was added as well. Okay, so but for myself, I am withdrawing with my Nigerian bank account. Okay, so, anyways, with that being said, if you want to get that first $10, the first thing you do after registration, immediately you register on POPPO. Make sure you go live that same day. Okay, I'm saying this so that for the new ones that are coming in, if you have not registered POPPO, you can use my link. My link is always in the description box. You can subscribe, use my link to register, and then start earning immediately. Okay, the good part of going live that same day is for you to be able to get your first $1. Okay, so if you don't know how to go live, you have to click on this button that just click, which is the first P you are seeing, and then you click on what live. Okay, once you click on live, you are going to see all the activities that you were supposed to enter. Okay, for example, it's open like this, and then you're going to be seeing the activities here. So you're going to be clicking on any of the activities: chatting, singing, or dancing. And then after all of that being done, you're going to click on what go live. I can't go live now because immediately I go live, people is going to mute my mic. Okay, so once you go live immediately, you are going to have your first $1 on Popo. Okay, so once you have your first $1, which is they're going to give you 10,000 coins, then the next thing you need to do immediately is to sit on crown seats. And for you to be able to sit on crown seats, all you need to do is to click on this all that is here, and you're going to be seeing a lot of parties. All these people that you're seeing are people that you can actually sit on their crown seat. Okay, all of them are held in party. Okay, but one thing you must know is that for you to be able to perform your tax, you have to sit on this party seat that has the gold chair. Okay, if you sit on any of these other ones, you're not going to be performing your tax. So make sure if you're performing your tax, you need to sit on the gold seat. Okay, once you are done with that, they are going to give you 800 coins, and of which you're going to be having 10,800 coins for your first day. Then the second day again, you are also going to go live immediately. I can use this detail here to like explain to you, not this reward details, guys. Sorry, this invite details. Let me use it to explain to you very, very well. Okay, so that you will know all the things that is amounted to what you are going to get. Okay, so you can see here they said invite host to broadcast 3 hours within 7 days, which is that your very first day, you're going to get $10. So if you also broadcast 5 hours within 7 days, which is the next day, you are also going to go live, you're going to get another what? 10,000 coins. Okay, so once you get 10,000 coins, automatically you'll be having your $2. Okay, and once you have your $2, the next thing that you need to do now, if you want to get that 10,000 coins fast, is to go and sit in people's party. Yes, why do I say you should sit in people's party? Sit in people's party because you are new. Okay, yes, and another thing again I advise you is check out other countries party. Okay, all of these things you're seeing here are different countries, different continents, and the rest of that. So if you sit in Nigerian party today, you can also check out US party and Canada party, all these parties. There are places that your coins will be boom. Okay, once people are coming there to gamble or do anything or throw coins, you are going to receive some certain amount of coins. Okay, take for example, oh my god, I need to leave this place. Take for example that particular party I entered. You can see what is happening there. A whole lot of things is happening there, and definitely anybody that is there is going to actually achieve their aim on time. Okay, another thing for you to do, for you to be able to get that your first $10 so that you can withdraw ASAP, is to start inviting people. How do you now invite people? When you go to invite, you copy the link. Once you copy the link and invite anybody, for anybody that you invite, you're going to be getting $14. I did a detailed explanation on how the $14 is being breakdown on my other videos. You can also try to check it out, okay? So inviting people can also help you to sharply. Just imagine you just invited like two persons, and before you know, you're getting more than 20, 30, 40,000 coins in just one day. And those two persons, if they perform their tax for just within the period of 2 days or more, your own don't double up, okay? Which is very, very important. Another thing, if you want to get that's your first $10 fast, don't joke with treasure box. Let me look on that this thing and go. Don't joke with treasure box. Okay, when I mean don't joke with treasure box, you see this thing, let's say get coins for free. Get coins for free. Once it is done countdown, please immediately click on it and accept your coins. Okay. Another thing again is this fireworks. You see this place, they said fireworks will bloom in the room of so person. Go go get your coin or go get coins. You can see a whole lot of people coming in here. Okay, you can see a whole lot of people coming here because someone just throwed fireworks. And oh my god, this noise is too much. And guys, you are going to be getting any coins that is added once the firework bloom. You are going to be getting it in this place where you're seeing these coins here. These coins that are accumulated here, this 4,849 that you are seeing, are coins gotten from fireworks and also treasure box. And then I will now go and exchange. Okay, so if you don't even know how to get fireworks, exactly this thing I did is what you should do to get fireworks. Okay, this is very, very important. You can see people gambling on this woman. This woman is life like this. I believe she was the one that dropped the fireworks for herself, but see people doing a lot of gambling here. So don't joke with any of this. I need to leave this place because of noise. I can't wait for the firework to bloom because of the noise. So don't joke with all of these things that I've been able to tell you, and trust me, trust God, you are going to be getting your first $10. Some persons on their first withdrawal, they get more than $10. But I'm just telling you that I'm just using that $10. So you know, go be as if we to get big eye. You're not what I'm trying to say. And you guys know that Popo, imagine you withdrawing each dollar 1,308 something. That means over 13,000 naira, over 14,000 naira. You will be withdrawing for your first withdrawal, and of which is something so sweet to start with. So I hope this video is able to help anyone out there. If you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. And with no further ado, I'm going to be Simba and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah. Don't forget to subscribe, love, comment, and share.